What's up, guys? It's that detail guy Walt from the Detail Spot. Today we're going to do something a little bit more in depth. We're going to be wet sanding this Rolls Royce Ghost. Alright, maybe it's not a Rolls Royce, but that's what we're going to pretend because it's more fun, right? Anyways, this truck has 24,000 miles, but it is 24 hard thousand miles. It is scratched and gouged and swirled, and we're going to save it. So make sure you watch the video. We're going to be doing the voiceover to explain the process, and probably don't try this at home. This is more of an intermediate thing to an expert thing. So if you have any questions, comment below, and I'll be sure to answer them as fast as I can. Thanks.
Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in a
We made the decision to wet sand because we thought it would be safer than generating all that heat with the high-speed rotary and rubbing compound. Because the vehicle was so bad, it just worked out better to sand it all down. So what we did is we started with 1200 grit, then went to 2000 grit, and then we went to 3000 grit. If you're not using 3000 grit Trizact paper from 3M, then you definitely should try it. It is amazing. So you'll notice that we go in different directions. We'll go vertical and horizontal. And what we're doing is when we switch from, say, 1200 grit to 2000 grit, we're going in an opposite direction. On the light colors, one of the benefits is it helps us see what remaining sand scratches are there so we can make sure that we got all of them out. The further we go into the vehicle, we'll switch different sanding blocks. We started with a Meguiar's soft block and switched to a KXK Dynamics rid stick. After we did all our sanding, we compounded it with a high speed and SB3's brand new compound from their smart system called Correct. Finally, we took our Broops polisher and polished with 205 with an orange Americana pad.
Do you think your daddy did a good job on this truck? Should we punch him in the nose if he didn't? Maybe? Alright, high five.
Yeah, we're gonna punch me in the nose.
So what'd you think? A lot of work?
A lot of work.
A lot of work, a lot of reward. This was Alex's first time doing a little wet sanding. It was the perfect truck to teach him on. We weren't going for perfection on this. We were essentially just trying to save it from having to be repainted. So we removed a really good portion of the defects. Unfortunately, with it being white, it's hard to really see a difference in the video, but you can definitely tell in the gloss and clarity. We actually got about 75% of the defects out, maybe even 80 in some spots. So keep watching for videos like this. You can check out all of Alex's work on Instagram at, what's the name again? Detail Boss 32? Perfect. So you can check them out there. Follow us on YouTube and drop your comments below.